Hello everyone. In my previous videos I have discussed about addition, subtraction and their properties. Now today we will learn about the application of addition and subtraction as some word problems. So let us start today's topic, word problems on addition and subtraction. Here I have taken some word problems to solve and how to apply the addition and subtraction, that we have to learn from here. Number 1. In an election, one candidate got 2,88,976 votes and the other candidate got 3,56,698 votes. If there were 50,370 invalid votes, how many votes were polled in all? So there are two candidates getting the first candidate this number of votes and the second candidate this number of votes, and this is the number of invalid votes. So how many total votes were polled in all? So we have to find the total number of votes from here. That's why we have to add all these votes number. So for answer part, let us write the statement that one candidate got 288,976 votes, other candidate got this number of vote, but arrange from right side, 8, then 9, then 6, then again 6, 5, 3 votes, and number of invalid votes, how many? 50,370. Arrange it, 0, 7, 3, 0, 5. Now we will find total number of votes polled. So total number of votes polled. For this one we have to add all these numbers. We have to add all these numbers. Let us add. So here 8 plus 6 plus 0, 8 plus 6 14, 4, 1 carry, 7 plus 9 16, 16 plus 7 23, plus 1 24. Now 2 carry, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 2 20, 0, 2 carry, 0 plus 6 6, 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 6, 1 carry, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 8 18, plus 1 19, 9, again 1 carry, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6. So total number of votes polled 6,96,044. So this become our answer. Okay. So this is actually an application of addition. Now coming to another type of problem, problem number 2. See it here, question is here. Ashok saved 5,42,728 this year. If he had saved rupees 3,25,975 last year, by how much is this year's saving higher? by how much is this year's saving is higher. So check which one saving is higher, last year or this year. Ashok said this year rupees 5,42,728 and he had saved rupees 3,25,975 last year. So this year he had saved more. So how much more you have to find? For this one we have to subtract. So let us write the statement that this year's saving equal to rupees 5,42,728 and last year saving was rupees 3,25,975. Obviously this year he had saved more. So how much higher the saving? So the saving is higher by, for this one we have to subtract. So let us subtract it. Do the subtraction. 8 minus 5, 3. 2 minus 7, 2 means 12. Let us consider it 12. So 1 is borrowed from here, this become 6. But 6 minus 9 is not possible. So let us consider 6 as 16, borrowing 1 from here, it becomes 1. Again 1 minus 5 is not possible, let us consider it 11, borrowing 1 from here, it becomes 3. 3 minus 2 is okay, 5 minus 3 we can do. Now proceed. 12 minus 7 is 5. 16 minus 9 is 7. 11 minus 5, 6. 3 minus 2, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. This rupees 2,16,753. So how much is this year saving higher? So we have to write the statement as answer that this year saving is higher by rupees 2,16,753. So that is our answer. Now coming to the another word problem. See it here, problem number 3. Here is the problem number 3. The sum of two number is 3,65,400. One of the number is 2,25,375. Find the other number. So what is given here? Sum is given, sum of two number is given and one of the number is given. You have to find the other number. To find the other number, what we have to do? In that case, we have to subtract the other number from the sum, because both the number is less than the sum. So it should decrease, it should be decreased to find the second one number. Write down sum of the number. Three lakh 65,400 and one of the number equal to this one. Let us arrange 5, 7, 3, 5, 2, 2. To find the other number, we have to subtract. So let us do the subtraction. 0 considered as 10. 1 is borrowing from here, let us consider 0 as again 10, but it becomes 9 as we 1 borrowed from here. Okay. Now as 0 is considered as 10, 1 is borrowed from here also, 3 become. Now 3 minus 3 is possible, okay. 5 minus 5, 6 minus 2, everywhere steps subtraction is possible. So let us do it now. 10 minus 5 become 5, 9 minus 7, 2, 3 minus 3, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 6 minus 2, 4, 3 minus 2, 1. So the other number become 1,40,025. This is the our answer, required answer. Okay. Now come to another case. Whenever instead of sum there is given the difference of two number. The difference of two number is given this one. The difference of two number is given this one. That is the result of subtraction. If the greatest number is this one, you have to find the smaller number. Okay. Difference is given and the greater number is given. You have to find the smaller number. To find the smaller number, it is obvious that the smaller number is less than the greatest number. So we have to decrease the value. Greatest number is this one. We have to decrease the value from this. So we have to subtract as we are decreasing the value. So let us write first greatest number. Greatest number is this one, 5264315, and write the difference equal to this one number starting from right hand 8, 6, 3, 5, 7, 4, 3. We have to find the smaller number. Smaller number. So to find the smaller number, we have to decrease the value. So subtraction we have to do. Let us subtract. 5 minus 8 not possible. Let us consider 5 as 15. So 1 we have borrowed from here. 1 become 0, but 0 we should take as 10. Considered as 10. So that 10 minus 6 is possible. Now 1 is borrowed from here, it become 2. But 2 minus 3 is not possible. So again we consider 2 as 12. Borrowing 1 from here, it becomes 3. 3 minus 5 is not possible. Let us consider it as 13. So 1 is borrowing again from here, 6. It becomes 5. 5 minus 7 is not possible. So consider it as 15. 1 again borrowing from here, it becomes 1. 1 minus 4 is not possible. So consider it as 11. Borrowing 1 from here, it becomes 4. 4 minus 3 is possible. Now let us complete it. 15 minus 8, that is 7. 10 minus 6, 4. 12 minus 3, 9. Then 13 minus 5, 8. 15 minus 7, again 8. 11 minus 4, 7. And 4 minus 3, 1. So the smaller number become this one. This is our required answer, the smaller number. Okay. Now coming to another problem. Whenever difference is given but the smaller number is given. Difference of two number is this one and the smaller number is given this one. You have to find the larger number, that is the greater number. To find the larger number, we have to increase the value from smaller number. So we have to increase, that is why here we have to do addition. So let us write first the smaller number. Smaller number equal to this one, 4271085, and difference equal to this number arranged, first 0, then 8, then 5, then 2, 7, 2, 3. You have to find the larger number. To find the larger number, we have to increase the value, so we have to add these two numbers. Now find 5, okay, 5 plus 0 5, 8 plus 8 16, 1 carrying, 5 plus 0 plus 1 means 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 1 3, 7 plus 7 14, 1 carry here, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 3 7. So the larger number become this one. This is the answer. So students, I hope you have well understood about the application of addition and subtraction in word problems. So such type of word problems you can do yourself, and this complete our today's topic. Next day or next class I will discuss another topic. Thank you and goodbye.